Now in here we are going to start applying some styles inside the Joomla content. But before continue, again, I will always emphasize eliminating all these settings in here because again, you are not going to need them, okay? And if you want to have the hits, it will be up to you. In my personal opinion, I don't need them and I will never use them inside my Joomla websites. So we are going to go to the administrator and inside the content, we are going to go to article manager. Inside here, we are going to click on options and then we are going to deactivate show category, hide, link category, no, and show author to, well, that will depend. If you are blogging, yes, you will need to show the author. If you are not blogging, you are not going to be displaying the author. It will be up to you. Then the published date, hide, navigation, hide, right there. The read more, in this case, we are going to leave to show. And you know what? You can actually hide because you are going to have the link when you are blogging inside the Joomla title. So you are going to be eliminating that, this one too, and all the icons. You are going to hide everything, including the hits. Then we are going to click save and close, going back, and we are going to refresh. There you have it. As you can see, it will look a lot cleaner. What I am going to do in this case is hiding this home name in here. You can go back and inside the menus, go into the main menu, and let's go to the default home menu item. Then inside page display options, click to no. Click save and close, going back and refresh. Now in here we are going to start styling all this HTML markup. We are going to make a selection, right click and view selection source. Again, you are going to have the breadcrumb in here. So we are going to start with the breadcrumbs, okay? Control C and going back to the CMS. And before anything, you are going to copy the CSS comment. Control C, going down, and Control V. Click enter. These are going to be my Joomla content styles. Center column, center, and column. Then inside here we are going to start targeting the breadcrumbs. Hash, center column, then a space, going back, and we are going to copy the class breadcrumbs, and Control V, the dot, don't forget the period before a class. Open the curly brackets, and we are going to change the color, in this case to the color 333, right there, semicolon, and the font size. We are going to choose probably the font size. We are going to give 85%, semicolon, Control S, going back, and upload these changes. Click OK and refresh. Did you notice now the breadcrumbs will look a lot better? In my personal opinion, of course. The next step will be decreasing the size from these details, and of course hide these name details because we don't want to have that text in there. Right click and view selection source. Then if you notice, you are going to have the class article info term and then article info. What you are going to do in here is going back, then click here and write down article dash info, open the curly brackets, and hold on, let me go back. That will be created by Control C. That will be a class. And let me double check because this will be a class too. You know what? We can just target all of them with classes. That, then article info dash, and it will be term right there. Then we are going to select display and equal to none. That will be eliminating the details text. Then click enter that and created by. Open the curly brackets and the font size. We are going to copy this same font size. You know what? We are going to copy the color to Control C and Control V. Then Control S to save. And let me close these windows, going back and upload everything again. then refresh. There you have it, my friends. As you can see, now you are going to have this write and buy in a different font size and with a different color. Now, of course, you can like this or not, but again, you already have the knowledge with you. If you already took the HTML training and the CSS training, you can change anything you want in here. The possibilities are not going to have any limits. If you want to change anything, go ahead and experiment with all your ideas and creativity. For this video, my friends, that will be it, and let's move on.